Hey there, welcome back friends. From today we will start exploring the function related tags which are available under JSTL. Now friends, if I show you this particular article, we have the tag libs available for JSTL function tags as well in here. So let me copy this part and now let me paste this part in here. Now again, we will also make use of the core tags. So we will keep this particular tag lib in here. Alright, now moving forward, for example, in here I type in fn colon and then try to autocomplete as the prefix is fn. Somehow we won't be able to get any proposals. The reason is, when it comes to function tags, the way of using the function tags is little different. Let me show you. In here, in order to make use of function tags, we need to take help of, yes, you have guessed it right, we need to take help of expression language. So now we will type in fn colon and try to autocomplete, and we would be able to see the list of all the functions which are available to us. Now for example, to start with, we check in the length tag, then we have this function. Now the reason why it is called as function tags, the reason is very simple. All of these attributes, all of these tags are nothing but functions. So in here the length is a function and it requires a parameter. The parameter could be string or it could be also object. So in here, to start with, we will add in a very simple string which would be like studyeasy.org. Let me save the changes, and now if I execute this program, I execute this JSP file, then it will count the number of characters in this string and it will return the count. And in total there are 13 characters, so definitely the output should be 13. And here is the output as expected. Now moving forward, let us also check whether this length method is capable of giving us the length of an object, the number of objects available in a complex object. So in order to test this, we will make use of a scriptlet. So in here, in this scriptlet, we will definitely make use of a array, and the type of the array would be a string array, and we will give the name as names. And let us initialize this array real quick. So the first name could be my name, second name could be a generic name, for example John, and finally the third name could be any name, for example Ria. Alright, so this looks good to me. Then moving forward, let us try to read the information. Let us try to read the length of this array. So in here, if I try to directly read the information which is there in this array by putting in the name of this array as names, then somehow the output won't be correct and the output would be 0. Now the reason why we are getting this as 0, because we are not able to read the information properly inside this length method. Now the solution is very simple. Let me show you. Let me expand this. So in here we will make use of a core tag, and the core tag is set tag. So we will first of all create a variable. Let me show you. And it could be a self-contained tag as well. And in here, first thing would be giving the name of this variable. The name of the variable could be like names array, and then we will give the value. Value would be nothing but the array. Now in here, in order to read a array from a scriptlet, definitely we will make use of expression element, and we will give the variable name as names, and finally we will give this newly created variable name in here. And now our work should be done, and in here the output should be now 3. Perfect, fantastic. So this is how we can like read the length of an complex object, and reading a length of an string is rather very simple. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.